Okay, peace in it to beginner. Winterwolf 2007, this is for you, my friend. As you can see, I prepared a little bit of a couple models in advance. Okay, see what I do here. I'm making two tones just because a lot of dogs and cats usually have two tones up in the head, up in the snout. What I'm doing here now is I'm going to wave dupe these down. Okay, so that's a little bit too long, but you know how it is when you step on it when you wave dupe. So what we're going to do is pull one of these out. I'm going to shorten this. So you see how we try to put that one piece out so to create a snout. So we'll take this, we'll even this up. We'll put a little bit more on this side because usually the bulk of the head has more of the darker color. Okay, let's group this. See that? We got a pretty good shape there for a dog's head. And I have to tell you now, when I use Tinkercad, but then I use Mesh Mixer, I can process this in a way where you make it look pretty darn smooth. Let's go up first. And then do one more and go down. That way we try to get the smoothness of the taper from the snout to the back of the head. Okay, let's group that. Okay. So from here, I can go into my template box and I can square off the snout a little bit. Let's just do something simple like this. Yeah, it looks about even. Okay. Now, let's turn that around. Let's widen it a little bit. Okay, now let's make some ears. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, now this time what we'll do is we'll go out like that. And we'll wave dupe it. We'll go up. And then we'll make it go this way to the back. We'll shorten it from the front. Okay, so let's group it right there. See how we made it sort of go back by, we shortened it, we made it go back that way and up. We made it asymmetrical. Okay, so now we'll dupe this, turn it into a hole. See how we got that angle there? Okay, dupe it and group it. Okay, now that we got that, basically you got a dog's ear and a cat ear there. See how we got the coloration on the inside? Kind of like a dog would have in real life. We can basically sharpen it when if we could put it, if we wanted it sharper, we could put a template, you know, like I did on the front of the nose. You could do that. At this point in the game, now it's just a matter of posing them and shortening them. Just a mirror tool. Okay. So that's pretty much the shape that you would want for a dog. And for a cat, you know, you'd play around with the ears, you'd tweak it, bend it until it was more angular, because you know how cats more have that. See how I put that into that ear? It's a little bit more pointy. So basically, if you were going to make a cat, you do the same thing, but you just smush in the face more. Cat basically has the same, the same shape as a dog, more or less, but it's just a smaller snout. Let's see if we can bend the ears more, make it look more cat-like. Okay, and so for the eyes, I've just basically, what I did here is just made templates on the scribble tool. For a cat, you want an eye that's more like that. Ah, messed up. Ah, okay. There's for the cat. And the dog's eye would be more like this. Okay. That cat looks more like a bear, huh? Okay. So from here, I think you can take it, experiment with it. Say like you want a nose, just do the basic. The way I got this cat nose over here is I just used scribble tool, and then I took one of these templates to round it off. All right, give it a try, or show me what you come up with. Use that wave dupe. Remember, you can do the snout separately, or you can try to get the head and the snout all in one shot. Let me know how it goes. Peace out, buddy. See you out there on the chat.